Hard chicken curry. Looks delicious. Anyone can make it. Hard chicken, 1 kilogram. Clean and washed. Cooking oil, a half cup. Green cardamom, cloves, bay leaf, cinnamon sticks. Stir and fry, few seconds. Onion, a half cup. Stir. Salt to taste. Fry until golden brown. Add chicken. Stir and fry 3 to 5 minutes. Add papaya paste 1 tablespoon. Stir and mix. Cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir. Garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon. Ginger paste, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala powder, a half teaspoon. Mix well. Cover for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add green chili. Stir after sometimes. Cover again. Add hot water. Cover and cook 10 minutes. Hard chicken curry is ready. Look at the color. Hope you enjoy. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.